Hello guys, welcome to MR.LEARNING. In this video I am going to show you how to fix discard error 3 not to fix microphone not working on Windows level. If this getting this error, simply few methods right to this error fix it. Before like this video, subscribe to support our YouTube channel. Let's start the steps. First step for the restart. So go to the start menu, click on the power button, select the restart button, click here to restart your system. Then go to the next step, reset microphone and audio set. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that settings, just click to open it, click on the system, click on the display, then scroll down, click on the system again, come to back, then click on the sound, then scroll down, click on the volume mixer, then then click on that reset button. The reset sound device in volume all apps recommended default. Just click on that reset. Once you reset, then again check it, again it not working, then go to the next step. Check your permission mic. So go to that Windows search bar, then type that settings, just click to open it, then click on the privacy and security, then come to click on the microphone, then find Discord application, find that, then Discord game, then turn it, if this turn it on, just click to turn it off. Then once it turn it on, then close it, then again check it, again it not working, then go to the next step, Discord reset voice and video settings. So go to the Discord, double tap to open it, confirmation yes, then go to that settings, then scroll down, then find voice and video, then scroll down below, first check it, then let's check first mic, first check it, then go to that soundboard, then click on the video option, then scroll down, go to that soundboard again, debugging, then finally reach it, reset voice and video settings, just click to reset. Once it resetted, then close it the Discord, again restarted, then your problem fix it now. Then finally your problem fix it now. And thanks for watching, and like and comment this video. Don't forget subscribe and subscribe to support our YouTube channel. If you have any doubt, please ask me anytime.